Hey everybody, Mr. Concrete here. This is the Joy of Concrete, and today we're making another mini concrete. Are you tired of making mini concretes yet? Have you made one at home? Look at that, that's enough concrete. What have we got here? We got like, I don't know, 3 tablespoons? Let's give a little more. 3 tablespoons? 3 tablespoons of concrete. This one, I'm going to throw white in right off the bat. We're going to make the whole thing pastel-y. Thanks for tuning in to the channel, the Concrete channel, following along with the Joy of Concrete. I hope you're having fun, as much fun as I have making it. A little bit of sriracha water. Sriracha water. Why are you still stinky like sriracha after all these years? Oh, sriracha water. Why are you still stinky like sriracha after all these years? Because the smell of sriracha never really leaves a sriracha bottle. It's just there forever. And the first few bottles of water that go through that sriracha water bottle are actually kind of sriracha flavor, which is a thing. Well, it's where originally I came up with the idea of sriracha water. You get an old sriracha bottle, a used sriracha bottle, and you pour water into it, and then you got hot sriracha water. You mix drinks. It's like rose water, except sriracha. Yum. What do you make with rose water? Let's drinks. I'm sure I've seen rose water asked on a drink menu for something. Oh, there's a rock. I'm going to get rid of that rock. Making a mini. I like making minis because minis are pretty quick. We can make a mini pretty quick. Too much water. Sriracha water sometimes is aggressive for minis. Making a mini, we should probably be spritzing like a spritz bottle. Just giving little spritzes. And you're just using a couple spoonfuls of concrete. But yeah, we're keeping our mess pretty localized here. You could basically do this on like a binder. If you have a binder, do you have an old binder at home? Something that you kept all your science notes in that you're no longer using? A 3-ring binder. Here's what you do. You take that 3-ring binder, you open it up, and lay it out flat, and you can work on half of that. Half of that 3-ring binder is your work surface. You know, the next video, maybe not the next video. I gotta see if I've got a binder that's not being used. But the next video, I'll use a 3-ring binder. And even you can use a broken 3-ring binder. You just want that coated panel. Okay, there's our starting color. Today I'm just feeling green. So it's just green in it. We're gonna go pretty heavy green saturation there. Pinch it together. So one of the things I'm working on for you right now is mixing up some beautiful colors, mixing that pigment for you ahead of time. So you don't have to do this. You can do this. I'm still gonna sell our pure premium pigments. But what if I pick some colors? What if you pick some colors and we just made the colors for you. And then you buy it, and then you don't even have to do this step. Anytime you want some color, you look at your little concrete container, you pick which color you want, you shovel out a couple spoonfuls, and boom, you got pink, you got green, black, red, whatever it is. What's the color that you want? Turquoise, baby blue? You want that baby blue? I don't know. You got to tell me, though. I'm not going to guess. Well, I will guess. If you don't tell me, I'll guess. But you don't want me to guess. Tell me. And then you get you get something exactly what you want if you tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Okay? How we doing? How we doing, friends? You like that? A little lump of green? Oh, baby. You like that little lump of green? So I still got some green and some white. And I want to just get a little bit more. I want this green to get a little chlorophyll-y, a little fern, grassy, more yellow, warmer. Does adding yellow to a green make it? Can there be? Do you think there's a warm green, cold green, and warm green? I would say I think there is warm green in the types of greens I associate with warm weather and the types of greens I associate with cold weather. So it might not necessarily be that the green is warm or cold, but I have certain associations with certain shades of green. For instance, the green that you see on a spruce or a pine tree, I would associate that with cold weather, even though there are spruce and pine tree in warm weather as well. Because it is one of the only greens that you typically see in the winter, or at least in the part of the world where I live, Quebec, Canada, the frozen north, I associate that color. I would say this is a cool green. It's more like a spruce. Then I look at this green, and it's like, this is a lot warmer. It's like almost like the color, the shade of a tropical leaf. These are the types of greens I think of spring. Okay, we've got our greens. I'm going to keep some white. Some white's beautiful. I'm excited for this. Boom, boom, boom. Tropical green. A little more white. And today I'm just going to roll this around, pick all these bits up, tap that out a bit. Let's see, what do you think we're going to see inside here? Rip it apart. Yum. Okay. I like that. Into our mystery mold. I sure hope someone guesses. Someone's going to guess. You'll know. After you see this one, you'll either know, and if you don't know who this collaboration is with, then, then it's just going to be a fun surprise. It's someone who knows concrete intricately, a group of people. Their work's beautiful. And they're making some molds. They have some molds that they're making for you. You concrete fan at home, wondering what should I make out of concrete? I've got a team of artists that want to help you figure it out. But if you have ideas of what you want to make at home, you can tell me. Just say. I'll take it under consideration. All right. So, too much concrete. I have about twice the amount of concrete I need. That's okay. Flatten this out a bit. Call our errors out. Just give it a little tap, tap, tap. Was this fun so far? Subscribe, like, hit that notification button. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to say those things, but don't you have to say them? Subscribe, like, hit that notification button, because it helps us run YouTube channels. Just the way YouTube works right now. In 6 more months, I'm probably going to ask you to do some other thing, but it helps. It honestly helps. So if you could do it, it would help us make more concrete videos. Bottom line, that's it. If you like the videos, doing that stuff helps us make more of them. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for liking and subscribing and hitting that notification button. People do it, and it helps us, and I appreciate it. We appreciate it. Catch you on the cured side. Hey, concrete friends. We are back on the cured side of this little model. Something to help give you a hint on who this epic collaboration is going to be with. And we did some greens. We did a mix of a cool green and kind of a warmer green. And I explained some of my thought process on what I think is cool and warm for greens. Now, this one's a little bit tricky to get out. Pop it here. Oh, we got it. Oh, yeah. There we go. So we've got a tiny ball. Look at this tiny ball. You can put some quarters in there, whatever you like. There you have it. That's what we made. That's what we made today with our micro concrete making. Took a couple spoonfuls of concrete and we made this tiny, cool little ball. There you have it. It's little, it's concrete, and we made it together. Thanks everyone for tuning back into The Joy of Concrete with Mr. Concrete. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, leave a comment below. I know this stuff goes without saying, and I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to say it out loud, but it's a necessary part of running a YouTube channel. That those likes and subscribes, they help us make more videos. So thank you. If you do like and subscribe, thank you very much. And if you don't like and subscribe, you could if you want to, but you know what? You don't have to either. I'll still make videos. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.